Multi-location plumbing companies succeed when they build strong systems around dispatching, training, and communication, so every branch runs the same way no matter who is doing the work. The secret is not having more trucks or more workers, it is having one shared playbook that keeps quality and customer experience consistent across every single location. Think of it like a chain of pizza restaurants. If every store makes the pizza a different way, customers get confused and unhappy. But if every store follows the exact same recipe, people know what to expect no matter which one they visit. Successful plumbing companies do the same thing by creating a central system for scheduling jobs, tracking technicians, and managing customer requests, so everything flows through one smooth process. Something most people do not know is that many of these companies use shared software that lets dispatchers in one office send jobs to technicians in a completely different city, almost like a control tower guiding airplanes. They also create detailed training manuals so a technician in one town fixes a leaky pipe the exact same way a technician in another town would. This consistency builds trust because customers feel like they are getting the same reliable service everywhere, not just a random experience depending on location. One common mistake is treating each location like its own separate business instead of one unified brand, which confuses pricing and quality, so the fix is creating one shared standard that every branch must follow. Another mistake is poor communication between branches, where one office does not know what another office promised a customer, and the solution is using one central software system that every location can see and update in real time. A third thing to be aware of is inconsistent hiring, because bringing in workers without proper vetting can hurt the whole company's reputation, so smart companies use the same background check and training process at every single branch, no exceptions. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.